Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to create user sign up and login page in WordPress website. First of all, you have to go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for user registration, and this is the actual plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once the form activated, here just click on get started and contribute to the enhancement. I'm clicking on no thanks. And install pages, click on install pages, default registration form, registration page, and my account page. So I want to install all of these pages, so I'm clicking on install and proceed. Clicking on next. And general setting, customize your general settings as per your preference. So I'm going to enable anyone can register, and user approval and login option I'm selecting auto approval and auto login, and prevent WordPress dashboard access I'm selecting here subscriber role and clicking on next. And enable strong password, you can enable strong password here, and you can select minimum password strength. So I'm going to disable this option, and default user role I'm selecting subscriber and clicking on next. And my account page layout I'm selecting vertical, and you can disable profile picture from here, and then click on next. And as you can see, I've successfully completed all of these steps. Now I'm clicking on create new form. And now first of all, let's create a blank form and giving the form name registration form. And so by default in registration form, here we can see 4 different fields are added: username, user email address, user password, and confirm password. If you want, you can add more fields from this left hand menu. Then go to form settings, and from here you will be able to change form settings. And after that, here just copy the shortcode and click on update form. Once the form created, now I'm going to my page section, and by default when you set up the plugin, these my account and registration form 2 pages will be created. Now let's edit this registration form page, and I'm going to removing this shortcode and adding this shortcode and clicking on update. Once the page updated, now I'm going to view this registration form page, and here as you can see a registration form added. Now let's create a login page first of all, and then we will add registration page, login page, and my account page in our website menu section. So let's create a login page first. So giving the page name login, and click on this add block, select shortcode, and to create a login page you have to write this shortcode: third bracket user underscore registration underscore login, and give a third bracket again, and just click on publish. And now here I'm going to reloading my pages, and so as you can see here my login page, my account page, and registration page. Now I'm going to my appearance and clicking on menus. And now first of all, let's create a new menu here. So I'm giving the menu name header menu, selecting here main menu, clicking on create menu. And now in this, come to this page section, and here first of all let's add login, then registration, and my account page. So here you can see I've added all of these pages and clicking on save menu. And now let's open my website, And here, as you can see, login, my account, and registration item added. Now first of all, let's go to registration form, and now let's create a account here. So giving the account name, giving account email address, and writing a password for the account, and confirming the password, and just clicking on submit. And as you can see, I've successfully created a user account. Once you created an account, you will directly jump into my account page. Now here you can go to profile details, you can change your username and user email, go to change password, and here you can change your account password. Now let's log out of our account. So clicking on confirm and log out. And now I'm going to login page, and this is my login page. Now giving my username or email, giving my password here, and you can remember password and just click on login. And as you can see, I've already logged in. Now going to my account page, and as you can see, all of my pages are working perfectly. My login page, my registration page, and my account page. So this is how we can add user registration and user login page in our WordPress website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.